Arngut Kidkhat Karotari Club of Sishu Mandir, Bangalore, ke badan kejing terang banchna ya ke Limca Book of Records, baka Guinness Book of World Record, dak banyak bicycle palat 40,000 kilometer, haki shispa praposngi, dak bayat, syaki kandai teli ki jala, bat ki Union Territories, ki bawan poi Rilum Jaiñtia, hakani kesengi sajan South Tarik. Kini Arngut ki kentup ya udhanush nakadu godi, mod uhemmat YB na yada gwan dana hali. Haba keren bet kilat pathai kubor, kini ki Arngut kilapan pau, baka thong jong kini ki Arngut kalong ban pensungo tu ahlor ka jingkala ka sun beneng, kumjo ru ka pule puthi, namar bakin saya kendo ikipat ba ki skol bat ki jaka pule. Na kaliang kini ki Arngut kia tu, bagilayat lenti na Bangalore, sya Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha, West Bengal, Assam, hado Meghalaya. Mat kalenti ka bagilayat kalong kumba, palat 1,000 sanspa kilometer.
Started from Bangalore and we entered for Andhra Pradesh. From Andhra Pradesh we covered like 1,000 kilometer, and in Telangana 1,000, like 2,000 in Andhra and Telangana. So after that we entered for Odisha and Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Odisha. After Odisha, West Bengal, Assam, and now we are in Meghalaya. Till now we completed 5,500 kilometers. So like this we are going to travel 180 days. Still 180 days all over India, like 29 states we are going to cover, and 3 union territories. And our main motto is global warming and literacy, basic education and safe environment. This is the main global warming and literacy. This is the main motto of our cycling. And this year the International Rotary Club have taking a mission of literacy. Literacy is a main motto of this year 2021. So we are also making awareness about literacy. So and we are very happy for Rotary and all public. Till now we completed 8 states. We got very good response from everyone. So we are really happy. We meeting every good person daily, different weather, different place, different food, different experience. So we are really lucky to have this. And I thanks for my supporters, Rotary Whitefield and Dr. Durga Prasad Reddy and Rotary Club of Sishu Mandir. And special thanks for Hari Prasad Reddy and Prashant Reddy. So they are the main pillars of our journey. And I really thank for Rotary Club of Juwai. So we got wonderful hosting here, and we are really happy, and we met wonderful sir and everyone. So we met on a cycling club, a cycling group. So they are very energetic, and they are really helping for us for tomorrow, because we are in Meghalaya. We'll bit of confusions here, so we are getting clarified by them the routes. So we are really comfortable with Juwai Rotary and cycling group. So please do cycle, save environment, not daily cycle. Try to do like 2-3 kilometers daily. But nearby stores, you need any basic items, you go by cycle, not to use bikes for 2-3 kilometers. Go by cycle. It is used for health, and it will be very good for environment. So keep do cycling. Thank you so much. Jai Karnataka. We are going for Amrangsong. We'll go to the Nagaland border, and we'll go to the Arunachal Pradesh. Again we come back to the Assam, Sikkim. We'll enter from border of Nepal to the Bihar. So like this we'll go for Uttar Pradesh and Haryana, north side Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. So even there we are hoping good time, good people we are going to meet there. So 19,000 kilometers, still 19,000 kilometers. Like our mission is like 24,000 kilometers. So we are planning to do 25,000. So we are covering little fast in northeast, because some issues are going. So we are covering so fast here, and even north also we are covering so fast. After reaching Punjab, we'll drag the route. Like we'll go like zigzag everything. We're going to roam there. Like in every state we are covered 2,000 kilometers. 19,400 is the current record. So we are going to set a new record of 24,000. So we are hoping for that. So we are trying our best.
Sang su em lang gini ki pigu hai yung press reporter yung juai yung Jaiñtia Journalist Association. Next step hani por kini ki law arngut ke wan Bangalore. We the opportunity yung Danish M and Imat YB. Ini dah member yang Rotary Club yang Rotary Club yang Sishu Mandir, Rotary Club yang Bangalore, Whitefield Central, yang RID 3190. RID means Rotary International District yang Bangalore. Ini yang hari dua ini tak agak 3240. Ini district of Pai kita 3190. One yang Bangalore yang cycle, Arngut kejing temu yang kita mau kabar kamu awasi 29 number yang states little union to this the sedang gini ke journey yang ki ruti yang ki na Bangalore na do ka khadwi tari July dan nen the one ke Shillong and near po ke July nai ni ulang sa Assam agar ruti la Assam daw pong ke tip na ulai ki na bangan handolima secara tempat dan samsut kini beruar ngot tau keru lupa break record kecil terang yang kita mulai kamu arfau 100 kilometer ku kabar jaga India ro aku lagi state lately human to this kecil temu yang ki boil jawa jok saya jengal ti yang ki ye ki kwa gup sia apa go bor genius book kita tahu temu yang ki da pendep kita kan do ko gini kami sapi kali